Hi everybody, this is Richard. Welcome to Building from Scratch. I'm sorry that I said I was going to be doing videos every other week if possible. Let me take these up. Anyhow, I said I was going to be doing this every other week if possible. Now, the reason for such a long time between videos is because I've been waiting for a green screen so I can do these presentations properly. And the first two screens that I ordered never came. Somehow FedEx lost them in the mail. So now I've got my new green screen. Let's get on this video. Now, this video is going to be about the design of the pontoon houseboat. Got some drawings, and please don't criticize my drawings because I am not an artist. But I do have some drawings. I've got some 3D renderings. Decided to forego on the 3D AutoCAD. And you'll see in my next video why I decided to do that. I'm going to do something totally different. We're actually going to be building a model of the houseboat so that we know exactly where all the framing is going to be, how it's all going to be set up. This will be a prefab model, so I've got everything I'm going to need, where everything's going to go. Now to start out, let's get to the design of the I did for the houseboat. Now to start out, I'm going to find out something. This here part, this is supposed to be the pontoon. This is the lower deck. Now this here design that I have, we're going from here up here. I'm going to be changing that. This deck is going to actually stick out, then going to come back this direction. The reason for this is so that if there's high waters, water does not get caught here and pushed up onto the deck. It will actually be shoved underneath. Now, this part here, this is all glass. This is the upper sunning deck. Same thing here, we have fully enclosed glass area. Now, one thing I am going to also change about this is this here. I originally was going to have this overhang, decided not to do that. Comes straight down. You can see here, this was going to be a 4-foot walkway for getting to the motor. They decided we're going to make that only a 2-foot. So this is going to come out further. I'm going to take this, bring it even, instead of having it extend down. Okay, this is the basic plan for the houseboat. And as you can see, this is a 3-bedroom setup. First floor, we've got the bedroom. This is the utility area where we will have the desalinization system, the waste treatment, and hopefully I'll get a laundry room in here. This is a 2-foot wide deck area that I showed in the previous picture, which is for going out and doing maintenance and filling up the fuel tanks for the houseboat and maintenance on the motors. As you can see, the bedroom's got a closet here. Now, this closet here is for the battery room for the solar. Here we got the bathroom with a shower. And because of the limited space, we had to put the sink between the shower and the toilet. Maybe later we might put it over here. I'm not sure yet. The kitchen, we got the refrigerator, stove, sink. We have a countertop here. Here we got the living room area. Now I have a table over here. I might go with something smaller because this here is the piloting station for driving the pontoon boat, and this is going to have to be moved over to here. Now, as you can see, this is basically the floor part of this wall here. This entire length here and between here and here is going to be all glass. And this is where the base is. Now the top of these glasses, this glass, is going to go from here to here on both sides. Then we got the sliding glass doors and approximately a 6-foot deck here. This design, this program does not have a thing for a spiral staircase, so I just put this one in just as a reference. We will have a spiral staircase right in the back corner here. So it will come up right here on the second floor with an exit out to a 10 by 20 foot sun deck with 2 bedrooms with closets, and as down below with the leading glass going from here back to here, this is going to be the same way. The reason for this is because I don't want it to be flat, so it acts as a giant billboard when the wind blows on it. It's more or less to help deflect the wind. We'll have these seats here with the big bay windows on each side, and also down here we have the big bay windows on both sides. And the reason for this is this will give us a 180-degree view all the way around. This area up here is basically for when the weather's not that great, but you still want to go up and look out all over the view. And as I said, this is going to be under a 60-degree view, so that you have full view of everywhere that you're driving the boat. The only thing that you won't be able to see is traffic behind you, which I plan on in the future adding a camera to the back so that you can see anything that's coming up behind you. Now we'll go to the 3D view that I made of this. Okay, this is the best 3D rendering I could do of the pontoon houseboat. Now you can see, because of the software, I could not actually do a leaning wall here. These are all squared out, but as I tried to mention before in the floor plans, all of this, and this area here on both sides are going to be solid glass windows. The top of this wall here will lean back all the way back to this wall where the sliding glass door would be. Now let's take a look a little bit inside. And as you can see, here's the kitchen, little island area. As I said, I'm going to try to make this a smaller table so that we can move the piloting station over to this right side of the boat. Okay, now we've got the top view here, as you see the kitchen, the dining room area. As you can see, the kitchen, the dining area, and this is the piloting station. All I had was a desk that I put there. And this is the living room. Now this here, it looks like it's a regular closet, but this is going to be the battery room for the solar power. And this is the closet for the master bedroom. Bathroom, as you can see, the shower, the sink. Can't quite see the toilet in there. And this is, as I said, this is the representation of the stairway that's actually going to end up being a spiral stairway here. And I'll probably end up moving this door over here. This area here is going to be the utility area for the desalinization system, the septic system, and hopefully room for a washer and a dryer. Now this is the second floor. Now as with the first floor, this side, and all of this in here and here is going to be glass. Also from here, going back to about this wall, it's all going to be open glass so that we can get 180-degree view of all of the scenery around. And as with below, this wall, this top part of this wall is actually going to end up back here so that this whole front meets. As you see, we got a nice sized sun back here and a sunning area for when it's not so nice outside and you still want to sit up and see the scenery all the front. Now we've got the 2 bedrooms here and the 2 closets. That's going to be it for this video. Now for those of you that want to keep track of this project, please subscribe, ring the notification bell so that you're notified each time I put up a new video. My next video is going to be of the model of this houseboat. I am waiting for a few more parts and hopefully I'll have them by next week and we'll get started on that. Just to note that when I do this model houseboat, I could not find any dowels act as pontoons. So I'm using some 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch bolts sticks that will basically represent the pontoons during this first part of the build. Maybe later I'll be able to get something that I can put in there for the actual pontoons, but for right now I can't do it. So till next time, everybody, please stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next time. Have a good day now. Bye.